Hello and warm greetings to everyone. As we approach the end of the year, I wanted to take a moment to share a message of goodwill and gratitude. This time for year is special for many, a season of joy, reflection, and connection. It's a time when people come together with family, friends, and communities to celebrate and cherish the moments that truly matter, which is Christmas. It's a day that comes among us every year, that we cherish the family or the people in general we have around us in our life. One of the beautiful things about this season is how it reminds us of value we all hold dear: kindness, generosity, and hope. Whether through small acts of giving, sharing laughter over a meal, or simply reaching out to someone might need support. These moments bring warmth to our lives. So, for those celebrating Christmas, it's a time of joy and thoroughness, filled with tradition that bring loved ones closer. But beyond the festivities, it's also a season to reflect on the blessings in our lives and the impact we can make in the lives of the people we know and others. And for those who may not celebrate in the traditional sense, this time of the year still carries a universal spirit, a chance to pause, appreciate the good around us, and look forward to possibilities of the new year ahead. As someone who values peace, gratitude, and community, I find this season to be a wonderful reminder of how interconnected we are all. No matter our backgrounds, the universal messages of love, understanding, and compassion resonates all of us. It's also a great time to thank those who've been part of your journeys, like family, friends, colleagues, and clients like you. Your support and connection make everything brighter. As we come close to the end of this year, I want to take a moment to reflect on all that we've experienced together. It's been a year of challenges, growth, and blessings, and I am truly grateful for the connections and moments we've shared. As we step into this season, I'd like to wish all of you a time filled with peace, joy, and warmth. Merry Christmas! May your homes be filled with laughter and love, and may your hearts find contentment in the little things. May this time of the year bring you closer to those you hold dear, creating lasting memories that will carry you through the year ahead. As we move on forward into a new year, I hope it brings with it new opportunities of success in all of your endeavors, and above all, happiness and good health. Here's to a season of toughness and renewal, and to a bright future filled with promise. Thank you for your kindness, your support, and for being a part of this journey. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season and a prosperous new year ahead. Take care, and may you continue to be surrounded by peace and love and the people you appreciate in your life the most. So Merry Christmas to you all. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. If you want to gift us, you can subscribe to our channel so we can create more and more engaging and entertaining topics like this. See you on the next video.